Wanted to do a quick update on the trailer. Some of you may have seen the video from, I believe, January of this year. I did a walk around at Mount Magazine, Arkansas, as we were packing up, but the trailer has taken on a lot of changes since then. So I want to do a quick walk around and show some of these. I still have my max coupler hitch. I did extend the tongue out 4 feet to accommodate the new tongue box, and my cargo rack here, I usually use this for firewood. This diamond plate box here is kind of a junction box for all my electrical, so because when I extended the tongue, I had to extend out all the electrical to the new box, and this just made it easy to put all my splices in one spot. But on the electrical, I have 6 switches here that control the ditch lights, cargo lights, rock lights, and I have 1 switch open at this point that I'm not using. As you can see, I'm plugged into shore power. The plug to the right is my inverter plug, so if I wanted to run a fan or charge something on 110, I can do that. Of course, you can't have a project without USB ports. Got 2 USBs there and a 12 volt. This is just a normal Lund tongue box, and I have a video that shows all these components. Battery monitor, inverter, the shunt, my solar controller tells me what I'm drawing in. I want to eventually put a shelf in here. I said that in the last video. Hadn't happened yet. Little work light on the lid there. There's my solar port. Go ahead and light these up. There are my cargo lights underneath the rooftop tent. Ditch lights I have added to cut down on the bugs. I put the amber film on those. I'm not sure exactly if I'm sold on that yet. It's a little too yellow, not enough amber, and it's still a lot of white coming through. So putting multiple layers didn't help. They're that bright. So recently added some KM2 BFGs 35s. I had just regular all-terrains on here before, but I acquired a set of 5, so I should never need tires again for the trailer. Of course, I have a Darchie Panorama 1600, plenty big, king size. Rubicon wheels off of a JK, and notice those spiffy red lug nuts. My propane set up, shovel and axe on the molly panels here. On my rail, use these tie downs from DZ. Front runner stretchers, love them. They hold everything tight, keep all of our gear in the rigid boxes. I have a set of 8 of these. On this trip I'm just using 2, but I can fill this trailer up and carry everything that I own as far as camping gear. I recently moved the fire extinguisher out of the Jeep out to the back of the trailer, and I've got a new one coming in for the Jeep. I've got these jacks from E-Trailer that hold 2,800 pounds a piece. Got one on each side. I don't need that kind of strength, but it's nice when you get an unlevel site not to have to fool with driving it up on blocks and whatnot. I can get it as level as I want it with these 2 on the back. Got one on this side. Rotopacks. Got 4 gallons of water there. Of course, my ARB awning that I don't have up this morning because I'm solo and it was just a one-day trip. But I have the screen room for this with the LED light built into it, so it's real nice when the weather's bad. And I failed to mention that the rooftop tent rack came from Compact Camping Concepts out of Oregon. It's a no weld rack, all bolt on, real easy. Same thing with my awning brackets and risers, came from the same place. They also supplied my 3,500 pound axle. I don't need that much, but it gave me the width to be able to fit the 35s. And they also performed the axle flip to give me another 2.5 inches of lift. But I hope you guys enjoy this. I'll leave a link in the description to my website that shows all the products that I have on this particular trailer build.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so.